Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're doing a case unboxing and we have a Hot Wheels Case L. I'm really excited to get into this. It is for the 2026. I do want to mention that I do have a giveaway going on my merch store, shopemptyparadise.com. I give away some really awesome, cool Hot Wheel RLC cars, and I do that pretty much like every other month. I do like a new giveaway that lasts for like a couple months. But if you guys do want to check that out and get entered, definitely check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below, shopemptyparadise.com. And if you guys want to pick up some of these exact cars that are in this case, I have multiple cases that come every release, and I have a lot of stuff on my merch store, so definitely go check it out. And a bunch of other collector cards. I even have some RLC cards on there as well, and some premiums, so definitely check it out. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing of this Case L. And luckily, this box does not look too damaged. In the past, I've gotten so many cases that they get pretty beat up in the mail. If that happens, like cars that have like cracked cases, cracked blisters, or even what do you call it, like bent cards or anything, I don't put on my merch store. It's just like the ones that are actually in really good condition. But the majority of these will end up on there. So let's go ahead and get started with right on top. I don't really know what's in this case. I didn't really look ahead. So this is going to be kind of a surprise when I start going through it. Wow, that's a nice pull. So we have a mod mill, a Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione, and a Lomad. Oh, I got some cool cars in this one. We have that tuned 1994 Toyota Supra, the Lotus Cornita, and the Aston Martin Formula One car. Oh, wow, okay. We have a Fiat 500C, a 21 Ford Bronco, and another Toyota Supra. So we got two Supras like right at the beginning of the case. Like, what are the odds of that? Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, got some cool cars, some cool colors. This is the El Segundo Coupe, a nice green. We have a Mazda MX-5 Miata, same one as the last case. In a 1972 Datsun Sunny Coupe. Thing looks pretty cool. Seen a lot of real cars, not as many fantasy cars. Well, we get a couple fantasy cars. Got the mod mill, the drift box, and another Ferrari 365 Competizione. Okay, we got another Aston Martin Formula One car, a 2018 Camaro SS, and another Lotus Cornita. This is an interesting case so far. I'm really liking the cars. Oh, that's so cool. We've seen this a handful of times, the Bugatti Bolide, and this time it's like all white. Before it was like all black with just different designs, so it's kind of cool that they changed it up quite a bit. A Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, and an El Segundo Coupe keychain. These things are actually pretty cool. Alright, we have a Punk Rod, a Spider-Man Spider-Mobile, and a 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Oh, I had no idea that these were going to be in here. We have a pink 1983 Chevy Silverado. The thing is so cool. But we also have the Dark Knight Batmobile, which is the Tumbler. We've seen that in different colors before, but this is like almost true to the real one where it's like all black. And then we have a pedal driver. Like I said, if you guys want to pick up any of these cars, there will be a link in the description down below, or you just go to shopemptyparadise.com. We have a Renault eSpace F1, a Decidedly Go, which is the Magic 8 Ball, and it even has the little thing on the bottom, so you can shake it up and see your answers. And then a Little Roar, which is a Mini Cooper, kind of off-road version. Alright, we have a Project Twin Mill, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, another Spider-Mobile, and the last three for the first half of the case. Oh, heck yeah! We have the Nissan Skyline GTR R34, and that's pretty much like the iconic Paul Walker, kind of Fast and the Furious version of it. The thing is so nice. We have the Street Shaker and a Punk Rod. Alright, let's pull out the divider and get to the bottom half of the case. We have not seen the regular treasure hunt or the super, so I haven't even seen the regular version of what the Supra is. I'm trying to remember what the Supra is in the first place. Oh wow, I got a nice pull on that one. We have a Alfa Romeo Giulia, and it's a really nice green. Another Dark Knight Batmobile, and the Toyota EA86 Sprinter Terreno. I think it's so cool. Man, this case has a lot of really good cars. Alright, Maserati Shamal, another Renault E-Space F1, and another Dark Knight Batmobile. I think it's 3 now for this case. Oh, does not look like we got the Super, but it is a really cool car, and I've seen weirder things happen. There's the Fiat 500C, 1972 Datsun Sunny Coupe, and the Nissan Maxima drift car. This would have been the Super if the Super was in this case. However, every now and then I get cases where like I've seen a Super and the regular version is in there as well. It's happened. So I don't think that will happen with this, but I've seen weirder things. Also, I've gotten a Super before from a wrong case. So that was like a one-time thing. Oh, that is so cool. All right. We have a 62 Chevy pickup truck that looks just absolutely amazing. And that color scheme looks really good as well. Another Project Twin Mill and another Toyota Supra. Yeah, even though it didn't get the Super, this case is still pretty awesome so far. That's interesting. All right. The Hot Wheel Test Ride. This is a brand new fantasy car. I've never seen that before. Another Aston Martin Formula 1 car, which seeing 3 of those in one case is also kind of odd. And another Renault E-Space, or yeah, E-Space F1. Weird. This case is kind of getting a lot of triplets. Oh, that is cool. So you've seen the Dior 2, then they had the tuned Dior 2. Now it's a really bold, interesting recolor on the tuned Dior 2. I think is pretty interesting. Well, actually, it's the Dior tuned. Another Hot Wheel Test Ride and a Supercharged. All right. Ooh, oh, heck yeah. The case wasn't all lost. So we have a Lucid Air, another Batmobile. I think it's number 4 now. Like, what the heck? And a Mad Manga. And that's not just any ordinary Mad Manga. Look right there. That is the Treasure Hunt logo because this is the Treasure Hunt for the case. Let's see if I can try to shift it in the package. It's a little tight, but right there you can see it peeking out. It got the silver flame right there since this is the Treasure Hunt. And this thing is really awesome, and the package is in great condition as well. There's actually a couple of fantasy cars that had some bad damage, but like the real cars are actually in great condition. So I'm excited about this. There that is up close if you guys can see it, or you can, I don't know if you can see in the picture, the little flame right there as well. But that is the Treasure Hunt. I'm just going to set it right up on top. And keep moving along, because you never know what might happen with the rest of this case. 2018 Camaro SS, Street Streaker, and a Erkenstein rod. Oh, wow, that's... Okay, this case is being really weird. 98 Honda Prelude in a beautiful teal color. Another decidedly go, but we have another Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione. I think it's 3 now. Usually, like with Ferraris, you don't see like that many. So I'm kind of... This is interesting. The ratios in this case... The ratios in this case are actually amazing now. So we got 3 of those Supras. There is another Leroy 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3. The thing looks so good. And we got another Nissan Skyline GTR R34. This one's also in great condition. That is absolutely amazing. You know, I'd be fine if we get a third one of those. Like, it looks like everything's happening in 3s. Can we get another... I'm so glad I left this right here. Like I said, this case is weird. I don't know what's going on with it. This is all one continuous shot. We got 2. We got 2 treasure hunts in this case. And it has the flame and everything. This is literally, there's both of those side by side. All right, like I said, the proportions in this case are weird. We're getting 3 of a lot of stuff. We're getting 4 of other stuff. And I think before, like, I've never seen more than like 2 or 3. So the fact that we got 4 of like the Batmobile and 2 treasure hunts. I mean, there's still cars left. Maybe we'll get the Super. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put these right there. All right, I'm confused. 2018 Camaro SS and another Erkenstein rod. All right. Let's see. I think, the last 3 cars of the case. Let's see what they are. Ah! We did not get the Super. We did get a really cool Gas Monkey Garage 68 Corvette. I think it's so cool. BMW M4 GT3 and a drift box. Wow. That is something else. I have not had two treasure hunts in a case. Like, and the serial numbers on the back are exactly the same. Like, they're from an L case. Like, everything lines up just right. I don't get it. That's kind of cool, I guess. I did not expect 2 treasure hunts. I was really hoping that we'd at least get a Super, and that would have been really cool if one of these would have been the Super. But it is what it is. Like, we got some great cars in this case. What a great turnout. I don't know what was going on with it. Case L, by the way, if you guys were curious. Wow. Okay. Well, like I said, if you guys do want to pick up any of these cars, definitely go check out my merch store shop, emptyparadise.com. I have like over 1,000. I think it's like over like 1,200 different Hot Wheels listed. So definitely go check those out. I have so many options, like a huge variety and different types. And I also have some other merch that's kind of automotive themed, so definitely go check it all out. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, go down, hit that like button and subscribe button, because I have a lot more videos coming. And like I said, like every single case, I get a good handful of these that come in. So I always do like an unboxing of like the first one that comes in. So I'm really excited how this turned out. It's really weird, non-traditional, but I mean, I can't really complain, and we got 2 treasure hunts and some really awesome cars. Like I said, if you guys like the video, go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.